Good evening, YouTube. Bid number 3 down here in the Carolinas. We got up on a bench today. Is a Dave made. Was a Dave made. This thing was held together with a lot of duct tape. And I used goof off to get the duct tape off. Man, I tried everything and it just wouldn't get off, but the goof off took the anodizing off, so note to self, don't use goof off to get glue off, because it takes the anodizing off. But live and learn. I rebuilt it. The board did look all nasty. It was black and green, and I redid it. Guy sent me some transistors, some RF parts, which they're HGs, and this is all the parts going back to him. As the fan was out of it, it still works, but just don't push the air that this does. There's all the old parts out of it. That was a power wire on it. Got new power wire on it, about 3 foot of it. We'll redone it. Put some new LED lights up here, and they bright, but they kind of shadowy. But there it is. All fixed back. Really, the only thing reused was the input and output transformers. That's new peel strips, new feedbacks. Got diodes on it back out, so if you hook it up backwards. New relays, new tuning capacitors, new 120s, new 10 ohms. These caps here are new. Caps are new. Same variable. Variable is good. Put a new switch in it, new LED. Cleaned it up, bottom to top. Took it completely apart. Side view of it, bottom view on it. Put some feet on it. Put all new. It didn't have many screws left in it. The only screws it really had was these 3 going down the side. A couple in the front, a couple in the back. But we didn't relabeled it. Got good airflow. Remote's back on it. Got a strain relief, a good one. The fan right there puts out a good air, but not a lot of noise. But everything in it's pretty much new. Alright, let's get to it. Let me turn my stock 29 on. Like that. That's stock 29 right there. You turn this around. Turn the amp off. Got a little over 2 watt dead key going into it. Turn it down just a little bit. About a 2 watt dead key going in it. Turn the amp on. Peak kits off. That's what it's deck in. Get it deck in about 100. So that's the way I done it. That's my variable power on my radio. Dead keyed it low, turn the variable power down, and I'm gonna roll the power up on the radio to reach 100 watts, and that little hash mark right there is 100 watts. It's 200, 400, 600, 800, 1,000. So I'm gonna key the mic and roll the key up. Till I hit right at 100 watts. A little over. Roll my key back. Alright, right there. And that gives me about 2 watts. Alright. This reflect going back towards the radio, 5 watts slug. Going back towards the radio. Audio. About a half a watt. It's output bird. 1,000 watt slug going this meter. Audio. That's about 300 bird. That little stock radio driving it. Audio. Doing pretty good. Audio. Turn this variable power up a little bit. Audio. Like I said, it is a stock radio. I was getting a little feedback. Turn the mic gain down a little bit. Turn it back up. Audio. So you're doing about 300 bird with that one. Turn the peak kit on. 1,000 watt slug. Audio. Around 800. Like I say, with this stock radio. This radio don't do about 5 watts. Oh, about 15 on the swing. Alright, we're going to go over to the other radio. I'm going to switch her. Go to my Rainmaker tuned hg-2879. This one does about 10 bird. Amp is on. Got some feedback going on. Mic gain's up too high. Turn the mic gain down. Audio. Around 900. This mic picks up wire in it. Stick it up to your mouth and get wire in your mouth. But that's what it's doing. 1,000 watt slug. Oh, 900. Take the peak kit off. Oh, doing over 400. Looking good. Audio. A little over half a watt. Audio. 400. This is for Mr. Flashlight down there. I don't know if I said that or not. Mr. Flashlight down along Florida. Hope you're happy with it. I'll get this thing out to you this evening. Have a good day. Bill number 3 down here in the Carolinas. Later.